Good morning, everyone. We're back with another Leetcode question. Today's question is divide array into arrays with max difference. You are given an integer array nums of size n and a positive integer k. Divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3 satisfying the following condition. Each element of nums should be in exactly one array. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equals to k. Okay. Return a 2D array containing all the arrays. If it's impossible to satisfy the condition, return an empty array. And if there are multiple answers, return any of them. Okay. So here we go. First test case is okay. So we have to divide this array into arrays of 3 elements. I mean arrays which contain only 3 elements, and the maximum element minus the minimum element should not exceed k. Okay, so that's what we have to do. We can use yeah, so it would be better if we first sort this our nums. If we sort our num and then we simply divide it into consecutive arrays of 3 elements, then our problem will be solved. The only thing we need to check is if our sub arrays don't have a maximum minus minimum greater than 2. So let's jump to the code. First off, what do we need? Just for convenience, we need n, which is going to be len of nums. And what else do we need? We need the nums to be sorted. Yes, that's what we need. And we need a for loop. Yeah, we do need a for loop, but we also need an empty array to store our answer, which we are going to return in the future. So yeah, for i in range, that's going to be from 0 to n, and we'll be jumping 3 in every jump. And here let's store our sub array into x, and the x is going to be sliced version of num. So yeah, so I've just sliced num from I to I plus 3. I've sliced it, and now I have to check if if x, the maximum element in x, because our array is sorted, so our maximum element in our sub array is going to be the element which is at the last of the array. So we are using x minus 1, and the minimum element which is going to be the array at the 0th position is greater than k. If it's greater than k, we'll simply return an empty list, and if it's not, then answer dot append x. That's it. And then we have to return x. I think we're done here. Let's try to run it. So here we see an error. 789 is not valid value for the expected return type. So are we missing out on something? So yeah, we have an error here, and it says that 789 is not valid value for expected return type. Okay, so yeah, nobody told me that I was returning x. We have to return answer, right? So that was the issue. I hope it's resolved. Yeah, as you can see, we are passing the 2 test cases, and let's try to submit it. And we have a successful submission. That's a pretty good one. We are among the top, I don't know, top what, top 98%. Okay, it's top 2%. So thank you for watching, and sorry for the noise.